Hi, I'm Nel from Assembly. We're planning to do something about our drawer fronts because sometimes we're getting drawer fronts near at the stain. So this is how it goes. So we're gonna build something to prevent the damage of the item. So sometimes it's split and it's very dangerous. And sometimes we need this a cart that can use for drilling in the standing or in the drawer loop. That's all for now. Thank you. Hi, it's me again, Nel, ng Assembly. We already done our project. So we have near now our removable cart. We add some magic tape. So you can use this cart as well as for the drawers and for the drawer fronts. We use the magic tape so it will be safe. It will not move. Then you can use now for the drawers, drawer fronts. Yes. Now it's good. It's not moving anymore.
So if you go that way?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it. Alright.
Yes. Now this cart is two-in-one use for drawers and drawer fronts. That's all. Thank you.